Give me a price that like I couldn't refuse to walk out of here with.
It'd probably be 65 grand over.
You said the owner bought this one?
Yeah, the owner bought this one.
I don't blame him.
Yes, sir.
I want the same price the owner paid.
Expensive one going MSRP. That one's looking like...
What's going on YouTube? It's the AZ392. I just got a call from the dealership nearby to come check out some Demo 170's they have. Obviously you guys can tell I own one already, but you know, if they make a good deal on one, I'm happy to pay for it. But I'm gonna hop into TRX right now and we're gonna jump over there. We're gonna go check them out. I think they have one in sublime green and then white knuckle. So we'll get there right now. We're gonna go check them out. Guys, so like I said before, we're gonna go check out those Demo 170's. But I haven't been posting a lot lately, guys. The market's been really bad, and I've
where the switch flips.
Buy another Demo 170 if it's cheaper and a better price than the one I bought for, because I have what I do is when I buy these cars, I actually register them in my Montana business LLC. So when I go to buy them, I buy them through there, so I don't have to pay the sales tax like buying them brand new, because on $140,000 vehicle, you're going to be paying around, I'd say in the two areas I've lived in, it's around an average of like 8%. So on an 8% of $160,000 vehicle, around $14,000. So, I mean, it saves you a lot of money when you're trying to flip it and not really driving it. So that's what I'm going to do right now and see if I can get a good deal. But hopefully I do, because I'm trying to sell some of these, make some money on them. That's why I got the one sitting in my garage still. But guys, so the dealership called me and they told me they got a few in, and I'm just curious to see what they're actually going to charge on a markup for them, because you guys know just as much as I do that a lot of these dealerships charge like 150, 200 over by me. So I can't wait to see what they're actually going to charge, because it seems like they're trying to make a sale, but you know, you never know with one of these people. They just like to get you in there. I don't even know how they got my number in the first place, but we're going there right now. Guys, so around 10 minutes away, traffic's been pretty bad, and I just want to say something to you guys. I hope everyone's doing good in life and obviously not getting tanked in the stock market, but I hope everyone's doing good, and I hope the best for everybody and everyone. God bless everyone. I already know what the situation is going to be. They're going to be like 70,000 at the minimum over, I can guarantee, but we'll know. We'll see. We'll go check them out right now. And a real good reason why I want to get another Demo 170 for the price I did is just because I could sell the one I did for a good profit and then be able to drive one and make some good videos out of it. But that's kind of the situation. I kind of just want to make some money before I jump into it and depreciate the car. But I really don't want to just have it sit in my garage, because that's not like the goal of why I bought the Demo 170, guys. I really bought it to drive it, but just understanding that it's a very dangerous car and it's got a lot of power to it, as we got this Challenger in front of us. Guys, so this place isn't close at all. I had to drive like 25 minutes to get here, but I don't know how they still have two of them available. I haven't seen them on any sort of like listing places, Auto Trader, Facebook Marketplace, nothing. But they called me and told me they got two of them in. Told me to come check them out, so that's what we're doing now, and let's go. Guys, so we just arrived at Tempe Dodge. I'm with Christian right here. What's up, guys? Got two Demon 170s available. We're gonna go check them out right now. What colors are there?
So you got a sublime green, and then you have a white knuckle. Sublime green is going to be the most expensive one, going MSRP. That one's looking like 135. And then the white knuckle is
Oh, is that red one available?
That one's our owner's, actually.
Oh, dang it.
Yeah.
What about the Go Mango?
The Go Mango is bought already. It's sold.
Oh, okay. So that's the color I have. That's why.
The mango's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's this white knuckle one.
And what's your price? What's your price on them?
So right now, they were asking 90.
Over?
But yeah, but I mean, whatever they're hearing offers.
Okay.
We're interested in selling them then.
I paid mine. I'll be honest. I paid like 160 out the door, and I had a 133 MSRP.
Okay.
So I mean, I flew out to Rockwall Dodge.
Where's that at?
In Texas. Arlington, yeah, Arlington, Texas. But
I mean, like I said, man.
you gotta give me your best price. You gotta give me a price that you guys want to sell these things today at. Ooh, this red's so nice.
Yeah, this one's me.
Ooh, you said the owner bought this one?
Yeah, the owner bought this one.
I don't blame him. I want the same price the owner paid, if that's possible.
I mean, I wish we could.
You know? I mean, you guys get rid of one of these things today. Or I'll take both if you give me a good price. And this green one's available too?
This green one, yeah.
Yeah, this is a hot color.
Yeah.
A lot of people like this on Facebook.
Oh yeah, we've had a lot of interest on this one.
I mean, all the Facebook old dads like love this color.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a sunroof though.
Yeah.
I like the sunroof. Mine's got a sunroof.
Yours has a sunroof?
Yeah, a lot of people don't like them.
You don't use them too much in Arizona though. I mean, in the summertime, year round though, they're perfect, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's awesome.
I don't know what people don't like about it. I want to test it out when I go to the drag strip with mine and see the actual difference between the weight. Because if there's no difference, then people are just, you know, like they want something to be like, oh yeah. Because I was actually trying to sell mine for a while just because I paid such a good price. But I mean,
What were they offering you?
I got 185 as the highest. Yeah, so I mean, and this dude was ready to
go?
Yeah, he was ready to send it to Connecticut.
Okay.
But this was right when I got it, so I only had it for like 3 days. And I was like, yo, I probably could get it better. And I haven't got a better.
Since then?
No, I've got a lot of people coming at like 165. It's only like $5,000 more than what I paid. But I'm like,
I mean, they're not too
I'll
much
keep
out
it
there
for
right now.
I'll keep it for what I paid. I have no problem. I literally just keep it in my garage.
Yeah, I mean,
with 16 miles on it.
We have a lot of investors that bought the Demons or like the Red Eyes, or the Ghosts even. That just have them, you know, sitting. We've had people that bubble wrap them.
Yeah,
put them in storage.
I saw that. That's a cool.
Yeah,
I have a friend on Facebook who did that with his. And
it's definitely.
Nice to meet you.
How's it going?
As you guys know, I spoke to Marcus, or not Marcus, his name was Darius. I kept calling him Marcus, and he was getting, that's what I kept doing. But yeah, he helped me out. He flew me out there, picked me up at the airport, and I mean, it was only like 23 over. And I could show you my
like the invoice and stuff. Yeah.
That's the man right there.
And
This is my customer right here. He's interested in maybe possibly buying a 170. He's got one. So pulled up in TRX. So you had one of those bad boys.
I was just saying, like, what's the best price you guys want to sell one of these things at today? Like cash. Like, what is it? Like, give me a price that like I couldn't refuse to walk out of here with.
It'd probably be 65 grand over.
But I mean, I got to be somewhere around that price range because mine was a 133 MSRP, and I can't be paying, you know, that much more for a car.
Yeah.
But I'm willing to come check them out, you know, make a video about them and stuff. But you guys want to sell one today? I mean, you got to give me a price that I can't refuse to leave with, because 65 over, you can tell anyone that.
I'm not. Yeah, that's as low as we'll go.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to like bug you or
No,
nothing.
you're good,
Like,
man.
Yeah, he was saying.
I was saying that.
Local people. Yeah.
Just finished at Tempe Dodge. Don't know if I'll be able to get the Demon 170 for a price I wanted, but you know, there's some really cool salespeople here. Check out Christian. Make sure you guys give him a call. He helped me out. Really nice person. Spoke to him for a while. But we're getting out of here now. Going back home. Hopefully, I told them the price I wanted to pay, and that, so they know. But I got some cool information out of him. Got to talk to a nice guy and learn some things. But we're getting out of here now. So thank you guys, and let's go. And a cool little story I got from one of the guys was he sold one of the Demon 170's, and I wish I got it on video, but my camera died. And once he sold the Demon 170, the dude traded 2 Hellcats for it, and then he got in a high-speed chase in LA, crashed out the Demon, and it got totaled and impounded and repoed. But I had some good times there. Guys, make sure you go check out Christian at Tempe Jeep and Dodge, because out of all the salespeople, you know, I've ever met, he was a really kind, honest person, and I really respect that, because, you know, a lot of the times, a lot of these salespeople are just in it for the money, and he obviously, you could tell, wasn't. He was a really genuine and nice person. But make sure you go check them out. Make sure you go see their inventory. They got more than just the Demon 170s. Obviously, they got a ton of other stuff. But we're heading home now. I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and if you made it this long. But we're gonna go see the Demon 170 I got, because honestly, out of all the features and stuff I saw in all those cars, I still would pick the one I have. Between the seats, the colors, the sunroof, the high MSRP, and obviously the price I paid, because, you know, you're not gonna be able to find that. He's kind of disappointed though that the price was so high after they called me to come check them out. But you guys know, I mean, can't blame them. They were trying to make the sale, and I'm glad I got to go check them out on a day I had nothing to do. But I appreciate every single one of you guys, and stay tuned.